Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about debentures and bonds. These are essentially long-term debt instruments. Many types of debentures and bonds have been structured to suit investors with different time needs, so having a higher risk as compared to bank deposits. Bonds and debentures to offer higher returns. Debenture investment requires scanning the market and choosing specific securities that will cater to the investment objectives of the investor. Means a debenture is a type of bond or other debt instrument that is unsecured by collateral security. Such debentures have no collateral backing, means there are no collateral securities. Debentures must rely on the credit worthiness and reputation of the issuer for support. Both corporations and governments frequently issue debentures to raise capital or funds. What is the company debentures? We see the company debenture. Company debentures are loan instruments for medium to a long term of period. These are offered by both large companies and the government. Debentures mainly work on the reputation of the issuing authorities or at a fixed interest rate. Authority bodies issue debentures when they seek to borrow money from the public at a predetermined rate of interest. What is the types of debenture? How many types of debentures? There are several types of debentures which is available in the market. First is secured debentures. It is clear that secured debentures, when company debentures are secured against assets of the concerned company. These are called secured or mortgage debenture. If the security is on the assets of the company, it is called fixed charge debenture also. There are two types of secured debentures: first mortgage or preferred debentures, and the next is second mortgage or ordinary debentures. Next type of debenture is unsecured debenture. It is clear from its name, unsecured debentures are created only out of creditability of the company and they don't carry securities against any assets of the concerned company. Therefore, the relevant organization does not offer any protection on the rate of paying interest. Next is convertible debenture. Convertible debenture are mixed financial tools carrying the benefit of both debt and equity shares. Individuals who hold company debentures like convertible debenture are allowed to convert these assets into stocks. The convertible debenture are also two types: partly convertible or fully convertible. The next is non-convertible debenture. Debentures that don't allow the holders to opt for the conversion of debt into stock. That is non-convertible debenture. Next is redeemable debenture. If the company debenture issuing authorities are legally mandated to redeem the debenture certificate on a particular date and pay the return to the investor, then those are called redeemable debentures. Irredeemable debentures don't carry along a redemption date with it. So, these debentures can be redeemed either when the company will liquefy its assets or as per the terms and condition of the debenture contract. And the next is registered debenture. Registered debenture are those debt tools where the credentials of the holders, such as their name, bank details, residential address, etc., are legally enrolled with the issuing authority. And the next is bearer debenture. Differently, bearer debenture don't carry any registration with any specific investor's details.